Hey math enthusiasts, today we're tackling a problem about manufacturing times. We'll compare two processes to find out which is faster. Our strategy? Break it down into bite-sized pieces and crunch those numbers. Process A needs a whopping 540 components. That's like a jigsaw puzzle on steroids. Machine A is chugging along, popping out 60 components every 25 minutes. Not too shabby. Switching gears to process B, it's a bit more lightweight with 300 components. It's like comparing a backpack to a suitcase. Machine B is on fire, delivering 50 components in just 15 minutes. Talk about efficiency. Let's do some math magic and calculate the total time Machine A takes to make all those components for Process A. Now let's see how quickly Machine B can whip up the components for Process B. Ready for some more number wizardry? It's showdown time. We'll figure out the percentage of time saved by switching from Process A to B. Get your calculators ready. And there you have it. We've crunched the numbers and found the champion of efficiency. Remember, it's all about comparing apples to apples, or in this case, components to components. This problem flexed our ratio and efficiency muscles. If you want to beef up your math skills or just enjoy solving problems, check out bytelearn.com and don't forget to subscribe for more math adventures.